Okay, good morning, student. Once again, so let us begin on today's topic, that is the factor influencing the degree of shock, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will be discussing factor influencing का मतलब है कि factor affecting, okay? क्या क्या factor जैसे कि temperature का, blood pressure का, क्या क्या factor जो affect करता है ना हमारा temperature, हमारा BP को. In the same way, there are also some certain factors that used to influence the degree of shock, okay? जो means, for example, number one, write down pain. Pain, P-A-I-N, pain. It's not much, okay? This is the last portion of shock. Pain. So I want to ask you all the questions that will pain increase the severity of shock or it will decrease the severity of shock?
Increase, ma'am.
Very good. Write down. It increases the severity of shock. That's all. अगर pain होने से जो shock occurrence हुआ है ना, that will increase more. It will worsen the condition. Okay, next write down fatigue. F-A-T-I-G-U-E. Fatigue. F-A-T-I-G-U-E. Fatigue. What is fatigue?
Tiredness, ma'am.
Okay, so will fatigue increases the severity of shock or decrease?
Increase, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Write down. Okay. When fatigue का मतलब whoever don't know the meaning of fatigue का मतलब है जब हम पूरा tired हो जाता है. Okay, when we are extremely weak or when we extremely feel exhausted or when we extremely feel tired. Okay, and that particular term in medically we call it as fatigue. So when someone is in these conditions, at that time what happens is that the severity of shock will increase. So simply write down it. Fatigue increases the severity of shock. Okay, next write down disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease, number 3 point. Write fast, okay, because we will be like discussing new chapters. Disease. Disease. So let me ask question again. People, those who are healthy without any diseases, are more susceptible to develop shock, or those who are having chronic disease are more susceptible to develop this shock? जिसका डिजीज होता या बिना डिजीज फ्री होता, कौन ज्यादा susceptible, prone to develop shock? कौन सा वाला होगा?
Person with disease, ma'am.
Very good. Write down. People having chronic disease develop shock easily. People having chronic disease develop shock easily. 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 Okay. Right, number next point, improper evaluation. Improper evaluation. I-M-P-R-O-P-E-R, improper evaluation, E-V-A-L-U-A-T-I-O-N. And right, you give slash care, slash deke care लिखना, C-A-R-E, care, फिर slash देना, लिखना movement, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S, movement. Improper evaluation slash care slash movement. So if there is improper evaluations of the particular disease or the particular condition, of if there is improper care, of if there will be improper movement, okay, so the condition of the shock will be worsened. So write it down. Shock may be increased by rough handling and by delay in treatment. I'm repeating. Shock may be increased by rough handling, R-O-U-Z-H, rough handling, H-A-N-D-L-I-N-G, handling, and by delay in treatment, D-E-L-A-Y, delay in treatment. Are you done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, physical condition. This is the last. Physical condition. physical condition. Physical, write down. People who are starved, people who are starved, S-T-A-R-V-E-D. S-T-A-R-V-E-D, okay? People who are starved or exposed to extreme of cold, or exposed to extreme of cold, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-S, extreme of cold, or heat, cold or heat, H-E-A-T, go into shock easily. Can you follow me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
yes, it is very simple. Okay, people who are starved का मतलब suffer. Okay, जो लोग suffer करता है. So people who are suffering from cold, or people who are exposed to extreme cold or heat. Okay, so they go into shock easily as compared to the normal healthy people. So these are the factor that used to influence, or that used to be the that used to influence the degree of shock. तो अगर shock होने के साथ ये सब अगर factor हुआ ना, then that will worsen the condition of this shock. So that is why to know about this is very much important. So are you clear all about shock, whatever we have discussed till here? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So many students are joining. Please respond. I used to think that my network is bad, and again I used to get confused when you don't respond. Okay, next I'll be teaching you all on about poisoning. Do you want me to teach you all from this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see it? Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you write down the heading. So in your syllabus, you have this. Okay, you have poisoning. That is, I guess you have the this one, roots of poisoning, as well as the general sign and symptom. I guess if you check your syllabus, you have that both now. So I'll try to teach you all both of it, and treatment we can discuss on the next class. Okay, now is it visible more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So poisoning, all of you know now what is poisoning? Poisoning क्या है बोलो तो?
Yes.
Poisoning क्या है? कौस्तभ बोलो, poisoning क्या है? जल्दी
Ma'am,
जल्दी.
poisoning मतलब जहर मैम मीन्स मैम जिससे बॉडी को मतलब
Means you understand.
हाँ मतलब
You understand,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
you can't express, right?
yes ma'am.
Okay, you can simply call the poisoning. They are one kind of the harmful substances. Okay, when sufficient dose are taken, it may also kill the person, like that type. So let us discuss poisoning. So poisoning, it is a condition, or it is a process, okay, in which an organism become chemically harmed, severely there is poisoned by a toxic substance or venom of an animal. Means like poisoning ऐसा condition है, okay, ऐसा condition है that can be chemically harmed, okay, that can chemically harm through the toxic substance that are present, or through the venom of an animal. So this is just about the definition, okay, about the poisoning. So if you want to write it down, you can write it down. This poisoning, it is a condition or a process in which an organism become chemically harmed by a toxic substance or venom of an animal. If you want to write down, you can write it down. Okay, it's okay, no need to, it's better if I send the PDF, right? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, so some substances when taken in, okay, can be dangerous to the health of human beings and can even cause death. Substances are called poison or toxin. So if it comes the definition in your final, define poison, you can simply write down like this, that poison, these are one of the harmful substances, okay, and when inhaling in or when sufficient dose are taken, okay, it may also kill a person. Or the one which I have given, that some substances when taken in can be very, very much dangerous to our health of human being, okay, and it can even cause death. So which we call it as poison. So define poison आने से भी खुद meaning समझ में आने से भी define कर सकते हैं, okay, because now that you're coming ना, so you might have this offline exam, so you can define. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने जैसा दिया वैसा ही exact copy paste करना. It's not like that. If you can copy paste, it's very, very much good. But beside that, you can write in any way. Okay, the answers will be correct with meaningful. So you understand what is poison or toxin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simply, you just simply say that this is the substances. When you take too much overdose of it, it can be dangerous to health. Okay, we will be discussing details about all these things. Okay, poison can get into the body by swallowing, inhaling, that is gases, by injection or via absorption to the skin. So ये सब उसका route of administration है. हाँ, एक करके हम लोग discuss करेंगे. Poison can get into our body. जो पॉइजन है ना, ऊपर में जो हम डेफिनेशन जो पढ़ा था, ये पॉइजन हमारा शरीर का अंदर कैसे घुसेगा? How all this poisonous substance enter into our body? Maybe because by the help of swallowing, by the help of inhaling, or else by injections or via absorption to the skin. So are you clear how poison can get into your body? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. So like other diseases, okay, कुछ डिजीज भी होता है ना, जैसे कि किडनी फेलियर होने से एक्यूट किडनी फेलियर होता है, या फिर एक्यूट रीनल फेलियर बोलता है, और फिर अगर किडनी फेलियर ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो गया तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्रॉनिक किडनी फेलियर, इजंट इट? सो व्हेन थोड़ा सा अगर डिजीज सीवियर नहीं होने से एक्यूट बोलते हैं, ज्यादा सीवियर होने से क्रॉनिक. सो इन द सेम वे पॉइजनिंग आल्सो देयर इज एक्यूट poisoning as well as chronic poisoning. Acute poisoning का मतलब ये कि a person is exposed to a poison, okay, but on one occasion or during a short period of time, means थोड़ा समय के लिए या फिर ऐसा होता है, okay, so that is the acute one. But chronic poisoning क्या है कि it lasts for a long period of time, या फिर it is exposed for many times, okay, it can occur immediately. So and the symptoms can get very, very worse, okay. और ऐसा chronic poisoning ऐसा भी होता है कि poison तो swallow कर रहा है, लेकिन on the immediate spot, okay, the symptoms might not be seen. It might take a long period of time or a long latent period of time to show the symptoms. So that is why this chronic poisoning is very, very much like dangerous, okay. It can ultimately lead to this death as compared to acute poisoning. These are just the type. This is not important. Acute poisoning or chronic poisoning, these are not important. I just want you all to know the meaning, okay. These notes are also not required. Just know कि acute poisoning होता क्या है, chronic poisoning होता क्या है. That's all. If you know, then that's enough. Are you clear with just the introduction part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the next is the root of poisoning. Root of poisoning का मतलब क्या है? Root का मतलब क्या है? ROUTE?
Ma'am, rasta.
Root of poisoning. Okay, what about others?
Way.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Heavy. No, hard one.
बालो क्या बोला? बोलो तो. बालो क्या
Heart
बोला?
poison, ma'am. Heart poison.
बालों का आवाज अच्छा से सुनाई नहीं देता है.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, root of poisoning means way of poisoning, okay. So okay, let us discuss one by one. This is very, very important, okay. Poisoning by swallowing. You can just write down the point. सिर्फ point लिख के रखो. बाद में नोट्स भेजूंगी। रोड्स ऑफ पॉइजनिंग, पॉइजनिंग बाय स्वॉलोइंग। तो देखते हैं पॉइजनिंग फ्रॉम swallowing is often caused by household product, overdose of medication or toxic plant. The effect of poisoning depend on what poison has been swallowed. So poisoning by swallowing का मतलब है कि whatever poison that we swallowed, that we call it as poisoning by swallowing, that we intake of whatever substance, okay, that we call it as poisoning, okay, and all those is often caused by household product, maybe any kind of household product, okay, that you have swallowed, and any other overdose of medication means medicine खाना अच्छा है, लेकिन जब हम like जरूरत से भी ज्यादा हम खा लेते हैं तब overdose हो जाता है ना, then it can lead to poisoning, which is very very much harmful for our body. So overdose of medication, if you swallow too much of medication, if your intake of too much medication is high, that can be poisoning, okay. Or toxic plant, बहुत ज्यादा toxic plant है ना, so if you by mistakenly if you swallow or if you eat that toxic plant, okay, then that can also be poisonous for your body. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the example of toxic plant? Toxic plant. Toxic plant या फिर most dangerous plant. Datura सुना? Datura. Have you heard the term?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Datura. All these are very very much toxic and poisonous. Okay, ये गलती से भी उसका like फूल या इसका plant swallow करने से it's very very much poisonous and harmful for our body. So all those things are the like harmful things. Okay, so this is about poisoning by swallowing. So the effect of poisoning means वो कैसे effect होगा, means household product swallow करने से like उसका effect कुछ और होगा, overdose medication लेने से उसका effect कुछ और होगा, toxic plant लेने से effect कुछ और होगा. So it will depend, okay, it will depend on what type of poison you are swallowing. So that is what the second point it mentioned. Okay, so acid, alkalis, disinfectant, etc. Okay, swallowed. If swallowed, it burns the lips, tongue, throat, esophagus, stomach, and cause great pain. This is very very important. Okay, what are the substance if you swallowed that can burn your lips, tongue, throat, esophagus, etc. So क्या क्या अगर एसिड swallow करने से क्या होगा, lips, tongue वगैरह burn हो सकता है. अगर alkali swallow किया, अगर disinfectant solution swallow किया, तो these are the like the harmful, another harmful substances. Are you clear? You know ना acid, सब लोग को पता है ना acid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is alkali? Alkali metal वगैरह acid सुना? Alkali कभी सुना क्या? Alkali.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this alkali, okay, we we mainly find all these things in chemistry. Okay, this alkali, all these like all these substances are very very much harmful. Okay, this alkali, it can these are mainly like dissolved in water and all. Okay, it can mainly dissolve in water, all these substances. Okay, it contains of lice, ammonia, etc. So many detergent it contains. Okay, all these things. So if you swallow this is very very much harmful. And disinfectant, कोई मुझे example बोल पाएगा क्या disinfectant? रोज दिन हम यूज भी करते हैं disinfectant.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Disinfectant क्या करता है? Disinfectant तो सबको पता है ना, this is a chemicals, right? This is a chemical liquid होता है ना. ये क्या करता है?
They
क्या बोलो तो, एक इंसान बोलो. क्या करता है?
they kill the harmful bacteria.
Very good. They kill the harmful bacteria. They destroy the bacteria. All these things. Okay. जो बैक्टीरिया को डिस्ट्रॉय करता है, जो केमिकल बैक्टीरिया को किल करके डिस्ट्रॉय करता है, उसको हम स्वॉलो करने से तो इट्स वेरी वेरी मच टॉक्सिक, इजंट इट? So that's why it can also burn our lips, tongue, throat, esophagus, stomach, and it will cause a great pain. Are you clear? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
Okay. And
Yes,
others,
ma'am.
okay, others swallowed poison cause vomiting. तो ये जो एसिड एल्कली डिसइंफेक्टेंट सॉल्यूशन है ना, अगर ये सब swallow करने से बहुत ज्यादा पेन होगा, लेकिन कुछ पॉइजन सब्सटेंस होता है जो हम swallow करने से पेन तो नहीं होता, लेकिन we feel or like we have the urge of doing vomiting. Okay, vomit, उल्टी फील होता है, vomiting and pain abdomen and later on diarrhea. डायरिया भी होता है. डायरिया का मतलब क्या था उस दिन ही मैंने बताया था. डायरिया, अरे डायरिया उस दिन ही बताया
Lose
था.
motion, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Diarrhea means like हम, this is the bowel, this frequent bowel movement ना, जब lose motion होता है तो we call it diarrhea. तो obviously अगर तुम toxic substance swallow करने से तो it will not be able to digest in your digestive tract ना, so it will lead to diarrhea. So then example like poisonous fungi, berries, metallic poison, ये सब swallow करने से तो there is a chances of developing diarrhea. So, and that will ultimately cause vomiting and all. So are you clear? Did the 3 points till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's move on. Some swallowed poison affect the nervous system. Okay, तो कुछ poison होता है जब हम swallow करते हैं ना, तो हमारा nervous system को direct affect करता है. तो हम देखते हैं कि what are those poisonous that directly affect our nervous system. Okay, it belong to this alcoholic drink, there is methylated spirit, कुछ spirit होता है, methylated spirit, these are the name. Okay, name, wine, whiskey lullaby, every one of you know. Okay, when taken in a large quantity. So जब alcohol, intake of alcohol, they used to say that intake of alcohol sometimes to some extent it is good, they used to say, but when we everything कुछ भी like overdose लेने से, alcohol है ना, कुछ भी overdose लेने से क्या होता है कि it can it can be toxic and it can be harmful to our body and it ultimately affect our nervous system. So that's why जो दारू जो ज्यादा पीते हैं ना, वो लोग ज्यादा देर तक like they don't, their lifespan is very much short. Okay, so did you understand? You can see the drink. Just the name is alcoholic
Yes, ma'am.
drink. So alcoholic drink में कैसे type का whiskey, wine,
Yes, ma'am.
spirit. I hope Balo will understand more, right, Balo? Yes, Balo?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sleeping pills. तो sleeping pills हम क्यों लेते हैं? जब हम नींद नहीं आता ना, जब नींद नहीं आते हैं, जब हमारा insomnia होता है, then we feel like taking sleeping pills ना, मैं sleeping नींद का गोली खा के मैं सो जाती हूँ, we used to say. So when taking of that is good because doctor भी prescribe करता है ना, लेकिन हम जब like suppose you can't sleep for 1 month and if you keep on taking, that is overdose ना, तब जब लेने से क्या होता है, that can also lead to poisonous. So sleeping pills, tranquilizer and painkiller when taken in overdose. तो painkiller भी जब भी pain होता है, painkiller खाते रहता, okay, we keep on taking painkiller and then that can also be like overdose and harmful to our body. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, yes.
Remember, sleeping pills ज्यादा खाने से, tranquilizer, painkiller ज्यादा खाने से overdose होने के साथ साथ nervous system होगा, और nervous system affect होने से तो क्या क्या problem हो सकता है, तो every one of you know, and you have already discussed about nervous system, right, in your like other subject. Okay, moving on to the next. Next, victim of poisoning must be considered as seriously ill. The symptoms are either delirium or fits or coma. Okay. Please note that food poisoning is an illness caused by eating contaminated. और कुछ खाना हम खाने से भी like food poisoning हो सकता है ना. Food poisoning is very much common in India क्योंकि like we are very much, we stay in very much like unhygienic ना, like street food भी इतना unhygienically maintain करता है, तो food poisoning is very much common in India. Okay, so eating contaminated food can cause poisoning and the name of that poisoning is known as food poisoning. So okay, and then जो poisoning में जो बीमार होता है ना, seriously ill होता है ना, that are like that those person need to be like primarily or early treatment should be like done. Okay, जल्दी जल्दी treatment करना है, नहीं तो it can be very much, it can affect to other parts of the organs also. Okay, and the symptoms include like अगर कोई poison ले रहा है तो उसका symptoms क्या क्या हो सकता है, like delirium. Do you know what is delirium? Psychology, if you know about psychology, then you will know delirium. Me, I have already seen the delirium patient in my real life, because while I was posting in the medical college, we used to get this delirium patient in the psychiatric ward. Okay, so delirium, have you ever heard about this delirium?
No, ma'am.
delirium में क्या होता है ना, delirium में ना माइंड को बहुत डिस्टर्ब होता है, लाइक जो पेशेंट है ना, जो साइकेट्रिक जो पेशेंट है ना, वो रेस्टलेस हो जाता है, ही इज वेरी रेस्टलेस, मींस लाइक कभी कभी लाइक एक्साइटमेंट हो जाता है, कभी कभी लाइक एक्टेसी ऐसा हो जाता है. ओके, सो ऑल दोस आर नोन एज डेलिरियम. पॉइजन लेने से ऐसा कंडीशन हो जाता है डेलिरियम, और फिट्स या फिर कोमा. डू यू नो व्हाट इज कोमा? कोमा का मतलब पता है? COM.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
coma
ma'am.
का मतलब is a prolonged unconsciousness. Okay, it is unconsciousness, prolonged period of time. Coma में चला जाता है, prolonged unconsciousness. So what do you mean by fits? Fits.
Violent movement, ma'am.
Fit. Violence. Okay. What about others?
Similarity shock, ma'am.
Fits. I have given you all that day about Caesar, right? Caesar. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what was the other name? Convulsion. So Caesar को भी बोलते हैं fit, FIT. जब पॉइजनिंग जब पॉइजनस पेशेंट को हम देखते हैं ना, तो उसका शरीर कांपता है, लाइक उसका एबनॉर्मल बॉडी मूवमेंट होता है, दैट वी कॉल इट एज सीजर, कन्वल्सन और फिट. उसका दूसरा नाम फिट है. ओके, सो not only the mind is disturbed, not only restlessness, not only for a prolonged unconsciousness, seizure also occur in this one seriously ill poisonous patients. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Jivan, please take attendance. So this was all about number 1, that is poisoning by swallowing. So so coming to the next point, the next is poisoning by gases. Poisoning by gas. Write down that topic, just the heading, poisoning by gas. Fumes or gases from charcoal stove, household gas. नाम सुन के पता चलेगा, पहले वाला तो poisoning by swallowing ना, कुछ खाने से ये लाइक ऐसा होगा, तो poisoning by gas, तो गैस का वजह से लाइक जो poisoning होता है उसको बोलते हैं हम poisoning by gas. तो fumes or gases from charcoal stove, household gas, motor exhaust and smoke from explosion, etc. cause choking, okay, which may result in unconsciousness in addition to difficulty in breathing. So this is all about the poisoning by gas, because जो gas, ये जो gas है ना, इसका कहाँ से हम लोग receive करता है, maybe the fumes or gas that we receive from the charcoal stove. Charcoal stove, you know ना, what is charcoal stove? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, from the charcoal stove से उसका जो smoke होगा, उसका जो gas होगा, उसका जो fume होगा, when we inhale ना, तो जब हम वो गैस को inhale करते हैं, that is not good for our health. Okay, and then household gas or any kind of household gas and motor exhaust और मोटर का जो गैस फ्यूम्स वो सब है ना, वो सब हम inhale करने से, या फिर smoke from explosion, जब explosion होता है ना, जब कुछ डिजास्टर या एक्सप्लोजन कुछ होता है, तब जो स्मोक निकलता है ना, all those if we inhale all the fumes, the gases, all this we inhale, then what happens is that can lead to poisonous. Okay, that is very very harmful for our body. Okay, तो ज्यादा inhale करने से क्या होगा? That will cause choking. Choking तो काल भी मैंने explain किया था. Choking we also call it as asphyxia. Asphyxia, okay? Asphyxia. तो एस्फाइसिया का मीनिंग है कि लाइक जब हमारा बॉडी ना व्हेन आवर बॉडी डज नॉट गेट इनफ ऑक्सीजन, ओके, जब शरीर पे जितना ऑक्सीजन होना है ना जो नहीं होता है, दैट वी कॉल इट एस्फाइसिया. ऑब्वियसली अगर गैस इनहेल करने से लाइक वो ऑल दोस एक्सप्लोशन, जो स्मोक एक्सप्लोशन में जो स्मोक है सब इनहेल करने से तो सांस लेने में भी दिक्कत होगा ना, तो दैट ऑल दोस कैन कॉज पॉइजन. Okay, and agar asphyxia hone se to choking hone se to there is a chances of the chances of this developing unconsciousness, okay, as well as difficulty in breathing. Are you clear? Poisoning by gas? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, poisoning by injection. Poisoning by injection. इंजेक्शन बोलने से दिमाग में क्या आता है? पॉइजनिंग इन बाय इंजेक्शन बोलने से दिमाग में क्या आता है? सिरिंज.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so poison get into the body through injection. Okay, so injection means when someone inject himself the drugs or whatever it is, that is the first kind. It may be with the help of the syringe or whatever it is. Okay, so and the other one is the bite of poisonous snake. Okay, so bite of poisonous snake, the poisonous snake हमको bite करते, that means it is directly like injecting into our body ना. So the poison is directly like injecting into our like body. So that is also another point. And next is and rabid dog. This is also another point. Or sting by scorpion. All of you know sting by scorpion and poisonous insect. बहुत ज़्यादा poisonous insect है ना दुनिया में, वो सब हमारा शरीर पे हमको bite करने से that can be the cause of poisoning by injection. Okay, or danger to life is again by choking and coma. और ऐसा होने से भी like choking भी हो सकता है. It can also lead to prolonged unconsciousness. So are you clear? Poisoning by injection. Just write down in exam through injection, bites of poisonous snake, rabid dogs, or sting by scorpions, and poisonous insect, etc., etc. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is poisoning by skin absorption. Skin absorption. So hazardous chemicals that are spilled on the skin can cause irritation or burns. तो कुछ chemicals हमारा skin पे गलती से spray हुआ, that is not good for our skin ना, that is harmful for our skin. ऐसा कुछ chemical है ना, जैसे कि for example what chemicals will I take an example? Other H2SO4, all those hydrogenous gas, and there are some like very very toxic chemicals are there now. If that spill off onto your skin, it can cause irritation or burns. Okay, and certain substances can be also absorbed through the skin and cause damage inside the body. क्योंकि जब hazardous chemical, जब toxic chemical हमारा skin का ऊपर spread हो जाता है, तो क्या होता है कि our skin can directly absorb it. Okay, and it can get damaged inside our body, which is very very much dangerous. This is poisoning by skin absorption by certain chemicals. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone give me the example of toxic chemicals? Toxic chemicals?
Phenol.
Okay, जो है ना like क्या बोलते हैं वो pesticide, insecticide, ये सब सुना?
Yes, ma'am.
जब पॉइजनस स्प्रे करते हैं ना हम लोग, जो पेस्टिसाइड इंसेक्टिसाइड कुछ किल करने के लिए हम स्प्रे करते हैं ना, तो that can kill insect or whatever it is, but it is not harmful for we, it is very 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 harmful for we the human being. Okay, are you clear all of you this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on my next class this continuation of this. Okay, I'll be teaching you all about the sign and symptoms, and with that we will be completing about the poisons. Okay, आज ये chapter complete करेगा. So after a few minutes, okay, I'll inform you all. You join again. I won't take much time. Okay, okay, Jiban, you are done with attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then that's all for now. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.